Hola amigos, soy el Señor Brigs de Learn Spanish World. Today I've got a challenge for you. The most famous Spanish tongue twister of all time. Tres tristes tigres tragaron trigo en un trigal. By the end of this video, you'll not only say it like a pro, you'll also master two of the hardest sounds in Spanish. The soft T, not explosive like in English, and also the natural R. Are you ready? Let's go. Step 1. Breaking down the tongue twister. Here it is slowly. Tres tristes tigres tragaron trigo en un trigal. Notice all the T's and R sounds. This tongue twister is like a gym workout for your tongue. Tres tristes tigres tragaron trigo en un trigal. Tres tristes tigres tragaron trigo en un trigal. Notice all the T's and R sounds. This tongue twister is like a gym workout for your tongue. First, the T. In Spanish, the T is softer. Your tongue touches just behind your teeth. No big puff of air. Say it with me. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Smooth, clean, no explosion. Now, the R. We have the single tap R like in pero and the roll R like in perro. Like in perro. Perro. Practice with me. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. O ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Practice with me. We'll do the softer one. Like in pero. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Now we'll do the double R one. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Feel the tongue at the front of your mouth, not in the back like in English. Step number 2, word by word practice. Let's break the tongue twister into pieces and repeat after me. Tres, which means 3. Tristes, sad. Tigres, tigers. Tragaron, swallow. Trigo, wheat. En, in. Un, a. Trigal. Notice all the T's and R sounds. This tongue twister is like a gym workout for your tongue. Now, one of the things that you need to keep in mind if you want to pronounce like a native speaker of Spanish is that the sound of the T in Spanish is softer than in English. Your tongue touches just behind your teeth. So no big puff of air. Say it with me. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Smooth, clean, not explosion. Now the R. We have the single tap R, like in the word but, B-U-T, pero, and the roll R, like in perro. Step number 3, putting it together. Let's connect everything. Repeat with me. Tres tristes tigres tragaron trigo en un trigal. Again, but slower. Tres tristes tigres tragaron trigo en un trigal. One more time. Come on, you've got this. Tres tristes tigres tragaron trigo en un trigal. Muy bien. Now this time we're going to do it a little bit faster. Tres tristes tigres tragaron trigo en un trigal. Tres tristes tigres tragaron trigo en un trigal. Now at natural speed, so not too fast, not too slow. Tres tristes tigres tragaron trigo en un trigal. Remember, don't panic if you mess up. Even native speakers stumble. Sometimes that's the fun of tongue twisters. Now, with this particular tongue twister, you will having fun, but you will always have the chance to practice your pronunciation, particularly when it comes to the soft T's and R's in Spanish. Step number 4, fun challenge and tips. Step 4, fun challenge and tips. Here's your challenge. Try to say it 3 times in a row without mistakes. Ready? ¿Estás listo? Let's do it together. Tres tristes tigres tragaron trigo en un trigal. Tres tristes tigres tragaron trigo en un trigal. One more. Tres tristes tigres tragaron trigo en un trigal. Muy bien. If you stumble, rewind and try again. That's how you train your mouth. That's how you train your tongue. Now I'll give you a tip. Make sure that you relax your jaw and smile slightly. It frees your tongue and makes rolling the R's much easier. Step 5, sounding natural. Keep your T's soft and short. Not ta, but ta, ta. Keep your R's light and forward, not drag back like in English. When you do this, you don't just say the words correctly, you actually sound Spanish. Now, if rolling the R's is very hard for you, don't panic. You could say perro or perro. Some people in Chile, particularly in other parts of South America, pronounce and roll the R's in a strong manner, perro. But some others say perro, which is a little bit softer and a little bit easier to achieve. Excelente trabajo, amigos. You just took the hardest Spanish tongue twister and survived. Big applause for you. Practice this every day for a week and your T's and R's will improve dramatically. Now it's your turn. Record yourself saying it and drop a comment telling me how many times you managed it in a row. If you like this lesson, please hit the like button and subscribe. I upload videos every week. Check out my other videos to keep improving your Spanish pronunciation. I have a wide range of videos covering pronunciation, grammar, music, cultural areas, and so on. Soy el Señor Brigs, and I'll see you in the next video. Cuídate. Hasta pronto. Chao, chao.